wondering why, in such hot and humid weather of Mumbai, I'm wearing this shawl and this long Kashmiri dress. Well, it has a story. I will get to that later, but right now I'm going to talk about, are stories really effective, and do they really work in the business world as well? A lot of people think that stories are for kids and they help to keep kids engaged, but do they work in the business world as well? So, in 2009, an American journalist decided to do an experiment. He wanted to check whether stories make any difference in making things more precious, or it's just a myth. So he went ahead and bought 200 articles from eBay, which were all valued at around 0.99 cents. Then he got 200 authors and told them to write stories about those 200 articles. Then, after he had those stories written for each of those 200 articles, he went ahead and again sold those articles on eBay. So many of the articles which were worth 0.99 cents got sold for amounts like $64, just because they had a story attached to it. So, would you now agree that stories really work and make a lot of sense in the business world? Now, why do stories make sense in the business world or anywhere? The easiest way to understand that is when we watch movies. Now, for kids, maybe once they watch characters like Elsa, Anna in Frozen 2, they would want to buy stuff which is related to those movies, because there is an emotional investment when we attach a story to an object. For us also, whenever there's an emotional investment, our logical mind stops working and we stop seeing flaws in things. Also, stories work because of one very important component, which is there are three chemicals which get released in our body when we listen to a story. One of the most important chemical which gets released is dopamine. So a story generally has some sort of a suspense, some thrills. Even if there are no thrills, but the way a story flows from one sequence to another, this hormone, which is dopamine, gets released, and this makes us more engaged and we are able to memorize things more. So if a business presentation is told in the form of a story, the audience will be able to memorize it much, much better. The second important hormone which gets released in storytelling is oxytocin. And oxytocin is released when we can feel some sort of an empathy or emotional connect with the character. And this is generally possible if the character is very vulnerable. It has to be human. That's when this oxytocin will get released, because we'll be able to see that vulnerable side of the character. The third important hormone which gets released during storytelling is endorphin. And endorphin will get released if there is humor in the story. I am part of Toastmasters and I have seen all the world champions of public speaking in the past so many years. Whoever has reached that stage has reached there because there was a lot of humor along with a message in their stories. So, humor is something which makes our presentations, our conversations very effective. So, hope you found this information useful. This is my first video for YouTube, and do hit the subscribe button, and do give me suggestions about what sort of videos would you want me to make in future. Thank you. I am also leaving a link of my Facebook group below, which is uh, a platform for people to share their learnings in communication. So do join that group as well. Thank you.